In this video we are going to see Belimo 20DTS-1P Frost Monitor Device Overview and Technical Data's Part 1. Welcome to Controls and Systems YouTube channel. Device Overview. For monitoring the temperatures of water and air heaters and ventilation and air conditioning systems to prevent frost damage to the cooling registers. Equipped with an active capillary tube, the frost monitors continuously signal the frost hazard with a signal output DC 0 to 10 volt, startup function, and via a one-pole potential-free changeover. Types. There are two types of model available: 20DTS-1P3 and 20DTS-1P5. Indicators. 1. LED red indicates the danger of frost. 2. Display screen for switching point and operating mode. 3. Parameter button. 4. Value and reset button. Settings are made using the two buttons 3 and 4. Mechanical data. Cable gland is PA6 black. Housing bottom is PA, RAL 7001, silver gray. Housing cover is PA transparent. Housing cover cap is ABS. Capillary is copper. Display LED is 2-digit segment display. Scope of delivery is mounting kit with mounting brackets. Optional accessories: air is mounting flanger, frost guard, 20DTS plastic. Weight: 20DTS-1P3 is 0.16 kilograms. 20DTS-1P5 is 0.36 kilograms. Dimension: height 136.3 millimeters, width 96 millimeters, depth 87 millimeters. Electrical data. Nominal voltage is AC 24 volt. Voltage range is AC 19.2 to 26.4 volt. Power consumption in AC is 6.6 VA. Electrical connection is spring-loaded terminal block, maximum 2.5 mm raised squared. Cable entry is cable gland with strain relief M16 by 1, 5 mm. For cable diameter 4.5 to 10 mm. Wiring diagram. S1 terminal is normally close contact. S2 terminal is common. S3 terminal is normally open contact. Terminal 1 is neutral or 0 volt. Terminal 2 is analog output 1, DC 0 to 10 volt. Terminal 3 is supply 24 volt AC. Terminal 4 is feedback signal, DC 0 to 10 volt. Terminal 5 is analog output 2, DC 0 to 10 volt. Functional data. Application is air. Output signal. Passive temperature is changeover. Output signal temperature. Switch node is maximum switching current 6 amps at AC 230 volt or 6 amps at DC 24 volt. Switching reliability is minimum switching current 100 mA at AC 12 volt. Analog input is 0 to 10 volt, maximum 1 mA. Output signal. Active node and temperature sensor is 0 to 10 volt, 0 to 15 degrees Celsius. Valve control is 0 to 10 volt, maximum 1 mA. Measuring data. Measuring values is temperature. Measuring range. Temperature is 0 to 15 degrees Celsius. Default setting is 5 degrees Celsius. Setting range. Temperature is 1 to 10 degrees Celsius. Switching differential. Temperature is type 2K. Time constant, 63%. In air duct is typical 90 second at 0 meters per second, typical 40 second at 0.2 meters per second. Operating controls. Setting switching point. Frost adjustment switching point, by pressing the button. 3. On display appears SP, once and then selecting the switching point frost using the button. 4. Values are rotational, automatic transfer of values after 2 seconds. Setting operating mode, by pressing the button. 3. Twice and then selecting the operating mode using the button. 4. Automatic unlocking a T. Function as temperature monitor. Manual unlocking HD. Function as temperature limiter. Environmental condition data. Ambient humidity is maximum 85% RH non-condensing. Ambient temperature is -15 to 55 degrees Celsius. Fluid temperature is up to maximum 110 degrees Celsius. Storage temperature is -25 to 65 degrees Celsius. Standards and directives. Protection classes IEC, EN3 safety extra low voltage, EU conformity is CE marking, degree of protection is IEC, EN IP42, EMC is DIN EN 61326-1, quality standard is ISO 9001. Well, I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a great day.